How to see the RAM usage on your MacBook. So all we need to do is to open your Spotlight search. You can click here in your top menu bar or press Command plus space on your keyboard. And you want to type here Activity Monitor and open this app, which should be automatically by default. And once it's open at the top, click on Memory. And here you can check your memory use in real time. So down here is the memory used on my computer. I got the 16 gigabytes RAM and now it's using more than 13.25 gigabytes in total. In this section you can also check which app is consuming the most memory on your Mac. As you can see, for me is the Brave browser, but I'm screen recording, that's why I'm using more RAM memory. So if you find this video any helpful, please consider subscribing and see you next time.